All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me again. Now we're gonna discuss a few more additions to the Reggae Boyz squad for the upcoming set of fixtures. Some new names, some new faces, and also two players who will be a part of the Under 20 squad. Now I'll be doing an interview later on with Mr. Rudolph Speed, and he'll giving us some information in regards. So I have a few questions to ask him. So he will give us some information. Bear in mind that about the selection process, what the overseas players have to offer, and how they view them, and what they need to do to find themselves in line with what is happening. So look out for that one. That one will drop in 1 p.m., 1:30 p.m. Jamaican time, Eastern time. But definitely look out for that one. So let's get into the details. This won't be a long video. I never planned a long video for this one. So we have a few more players. Let me get to the young players first. No, you know what? Let me get to the senior players first. The first person we have here joining onto the list, I've already reported a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 players now confirmed. We have a few on the list, but they're not confirmed as yet. So as soon as these persons are confirmed, then I will tell you guys. So we have Amal Knight, as you know, Reggae Boy goalkeeper, rejoining the pack as we'd expected. I do think we have a lot of keepers in the league who are playing exceptionally well at this moment. But we'll see how that one goes. Then now we have O'Shane Staple from Harborview, the right back, having a phenomenal season this season. A phenomenal season. Excellent going forward, defensively sound. Can play as an inverted winger as well because he used both foot. But I do think he has a lot to offer. Then we have Trayvon Reed, also one of their leading goal scorers, having also another beautiful season. A young man who's having a good season, and I like the age bracket of the players that I'm looking at, between the age of 19 and 23. I do like that. I will discuss that with Mr. Speed going forward in regards to this particular selection and how this selection is molding the team to what we might see likely for the Nation League as well. Because we need to know what's happening with the Nation League. So let me get to the junior team, the junior players, the under 20 players. I already mentioned a few players: Gary Mills, Tajay Anderson, and now we're gonna have on Tyreek Ximines and Gavin Barton of Harborview. As you all know, Tyreek Ximines right back, right wing back, right winger, multiple roles, and Gavin Barton as a defender as well, and we all know him. But I won't go any further on this one. This will be a short video. I'm still working on the JPL set of video and the aspects of the JPL, the league table and the top goal scorers and also the team of the week. Still working on that. So, you know, that kind of takes a little while, but I have to drop this video because I got the update. So until next time, people, look out for the live later, which is 1:30, and you will definitely get a lot of insightful information on that one. So big up, people. Thank you very much for tuning again. Military Guna TV. Until next time, we will see you guys again. We are out. Boom.